It's Memorial Day weekend. You know we had to come to Clementon Park. All right, we are here at Clementon Park today. It is Memorial Day weekend, and one of the best things I love about Clementon Park is their water park here. So we're going to be showing you what we're doing all day. And the main thing I want to do is we're going to be doing a Let's Eat. We're going to be doing a whole thing on all the different rides and stuff. But the main thing today is I'm going to be filming. So I'm going to be starting off pretty much checking out all the different food stands. I know there's a lot of new stuff here. There is Hellcat, and of course in the what's new, we're going to tell you what's going on with Hellcat. It's not operational right now, but that does not mean it's not going to be operational later on this year. So yet again, this is our third year of doing the YouTube channel, and this is our third year here at Clementon Park. We're here early on Memorial Day on the Sunday, so crowds aren't really coming in yet, and everybody who is here is heading right to the water park because it is going to be 90 to 95 degrees. So, but all day today we're going to be showing you the sights and sounds of Clementon Park in Clementon, New Jersey, a stone throws away from Philadelphia. And any questions you guys have, make sure you definitely let us know in the comment section. So we are kicking off pretty much the first hour. I'm going to be doing the revisit it, and then start knocking out some shorts and stuff. Alright, so we've been here for about an hour so far, and I knocked out a Let's Play video because I got a lot of midway games, and I think it's something that a lot of people tend to forget about when they come to a small park like this. And one of the things I did do, so that's Hellcat. Now Hellcat's not going today, they need some parts. But when you come over here, I felt like I needed to get a coaster credit because we're at 43, and I think, like, you know, we really need to at least put Clementon on the park for the our park day. So I actually jumped on their kiddie coaster. Yes, the third kiddie coaster of the year. I'm trying to avoid them, but Great Pumpkin and Cosmos Curves. And now the Dragon coaster is now on our coaster count. That was number 44. So if you're keeping track, pretty much number 44 is the Dragon coaster. Now I'm going to go continue doing revisit what's new. I've been pretty much staying to the dry park so far, just because of the fact that it's pretty empty. And I was able to do Let's Play. I was able to do the merchandise stuff. I went through the entire store, showed all the brand new merch. So we're off to a good start, an hour in. But we're going to finish up some stuff, and then we're going to go into the wet park. Alright, so I'm now over here by the Big Wave Bay. Basically last hour, knocked out a couple different things, checked out the food items and all that. And of course I'm doing a what's new. Right, there's a barbecue place right across from the Big Wave. So I'm going to be walking through the water park now, seeing what's new and exciting at the water park. And, you know, hopefully eventually be one of those people bobbing up and down in the wave pool. One of the reasons why I came here today was because I know this water park isn't as crowded as a lot of the other ones, so I always want to make sure I get to enjoy the water park. And the dry park's pretty dead, but the water park is definitely alive. So I got a little bit more filming I want to do here to see what's going on over there at the stands around here. But yeah, definitely looking forward to actually splashing down and enjoying the different things here at Clementon Park. I usually just film Clementon Park, so today I'm looking to actually enjoy it. And they do have a lot of different food items that are new, so get ready for the next medley as I get ready to finish up my videos and start actually swimming. right, the clouds are rolling in, but that's actually a good thing because I'm finishing up all of the videos I was planning on doing here. Got a lot done. Wasn't planning on doing a Let's Eat, but they got so many new food options that I felt like I really needed to. So I probably have about another 15-20 minutes of filming to do, and then I am going to be partaking, especially here in the Viper. Viper looks like a really cool ride. So I'm going to be partaking in the fun fairly soon. But we're about halfway done with our day. So if you like what we do here, and if you want to know more about Clementon Park, definitely make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It's a simple click for you. It really means a lot to me and everybody else who's involved with 125 Roller Coaster Challenge. So kick back. We're going to enjoy another medley here as I start getting changed into my swimsuit and enjoy the rest of the day at Clementon. You all know about Murphy's Law, right? Well, sat back, I actually got the barbecue right here over at the Kitchen 519, the beachside barbecue place. Fantastic, I might add. Highly recommend you going there and stuff like that. And I was getting ready to go get in my swimsuit and everything, and then, as you can tell by the ground, it downpoured with a thunderstorm. So right now, everything is closed. Like right here, there's nobody at the Kahuna, Luna, whatever. Even though the bucket's still going. Look at that, the bucket's still going. And the big wave and all that stuff's there. You can see the storm. So I was looking forward to actually enjoying the water park. So I'm torn. Should I get in my swimsuit and start, you know, and hope that it goes? Because it is bright and sunny there. And that's my favorite view, by the way. When I come to Clementon Park, I love this view of King Neptune's Revenge over the water right next to Hellcat. Now, of course, both of them were down today, but so that's where I'm torn right now. So right there's thunder, so you can hear it. So I don't know if we're actually going to be able to get the water rides going, but yeah, so I might have a quicker day than I wanted. Now the good news is I got all my videos done, so every video I wanted to do, except for some spotlights, but I don't really think we need some spotlights. We did a revisit it, which is all the stuff that's new. We did a Let's Eat because, well, I had to do it because literally Let's Eat, a lot of the food places changed. So we figured we had to update that. We did a Let's Play. We walked through and did merch of the store. That's actually going to be a short because there's only one store. Actually, I think that's a spotlight. So I think that's actually a spotlight. And then I did about 9 shorts so far. I got one more short I want to do. And pretty much everything else done. There's no POV. The train's not going. We already did the train. The only other POV that I could think about would literally be the Ferris wheel, but that wasn't going today. So they actually, the water park, everything was going except for right there, the torpedoes were not going. But with the dry park, they needed a lot of different parts. So we all know Hellcat's not going right now. They're doing track work. Looks like the log flume should be going in about a week or two. But some of the smaller rides weren't going either. So you got to remember, this is Memorial Day weekend. This is their first, dry run of the year. So the fact that they got the water park going, which I'll be honest with you, it was 90 degrees. It was hot as heck. If I had to make do we do things with the water park or do we do things with the dry park? 100%, they made the right choice, doing everything they needed to do for the water park. But with that being said, right now I am debating. So you're either going to get, after this medley, you're either going to get a update of me splashing around the water park or the finale. Hey, we're done. Only time will tell. I'm going to try to stick it out for a little bit. But having a great day at Clementon Park. Love this park. Highly recommend people come to this park. But let's find out if the rain let up or not. we're back here by Hellcat at the back of the park here, and we walked around the park a little bit there. It is starting to light up a little bit. They are letting some of the lower flat rides actually start going here, but it is 4 o'clock and I do have a bit of a drive to get back home. So had a long weekend. It is Memorial Day weekend, so we're getting ready to leave Clementon Park, but we got a lot of footage here and we love this park more than it's one of our favorite parks that we go to every year, and we try to make it definitely at least once, sometimes twice a year. And I do have the season pass, which I do want to mention is also good for Niagara Amusement Park, which is my hat that I wear everywhere, over there in Grand Island, New York. And then they also have Indiana Beach. So you get a season pass for me it was $69 because I have a renewal. But basically you get the season pass and you can enjoy all 3 of those parks, the Gene Staple parks. But yeah, pretty much right now Hellcat's not going, and King Neptune's Flume should be going soon, but it's not going yet. So the dry park, they had most of it going, but they did have some lack of places. But the water park was going full steam ahead. So definitely make sure you check it out this year. And if you've been to Clementon Park, let us know your thoughts of this park in the comment section. And if you have been here, what is your favorite water attraction or dry park attraction? Thank you for watching, and till next time, have a great day.